G'day everyone. What I'm doing in this ensuite is I'm just waterproofing the shower area. They don't want me to waterproof the rest of the floor. They just want the shower area waterproof. So what I've done is poured out a leveling compound over my primer. You always must prime before you pour out leveling compound. Now as it dries, I will put in preslope and then I'll waterproof over that, and then my mud goes over the top. What I've done around here is silicone to stop it running into the hole and to stop it running out any further here. So I've siliconed right through there. So when this goes off a little bit more, I can give it pre-slope, making sure that when the water soaks through the bed, it will run into the hole. If I was just waterproofing the top of the bed, it would slow down this whole exercise too much.